We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, and I have my friends with me today.
The gang's all here.
The gang is all here. I know. We have Val and Tomas and Chef Laurent Zarati. Thank you.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, and we're in the Second Harvest Teaching Kitchen. We can hear the forklifts and stuff going on in the food bank portion of where we're at, and we're just so thankful that Second Harvest does what they do to feed the community, and all of the farmers from around Washington donate food that comes here, and it's really cool. Peppers, probably. I don't know for sure, but
Onions,
yeah,
potatoes.
it's possible.
Yeah.
It's possible. And got to hang out in pepper field, and that was fun to process those peppers straight out of the field into roasted peppers.
Yeah, and peppers
that
are...
you can buy at the store, like
Yeah,
in the frozen food section.
And sometimes processing is just a word of saying, not adding anything.
Yeah.
It's all natural. There is no additive
And
or
so
anything.
fresh. So peppers, we're
Yes.
gonna make something with what kind of peppers today?
Bell peppers
Okay.
and red bell peppers. I think it's a great sauce. It's a traditional sauce in Spain. Traditional Romesco sauce. It's beautiful. Be careful with it because there is bread in it. So if you want to make it gluten-free, just take off, remove the
so
bread.
So the sauce has bread in it.
The sauce has bread in it, yes, to give
interesting.
it a little different consistency.
Yeah.
But if you're gluten intolerant, please just discard the bread and you can use that recipe for many things. Dipping sauce. For a fish today, we're going to serve it with grilled shrimp, but you can use it for many other purposes. It's a great foundational sauce.
I don't think I've ever had this type of sauce, so I'm excited to try it.
Good, good. Well, we'll see how it's made.
Yeah, let's take a look. It's
good.
so beautiful and
I know.
colorful.
I love that sauce. Look at
Vibrant
that.
and it's beautiful.
And so the name of this is again Romesco sauce. Romesco
and it's
sauce.
delicious. You get that bell pepper flavor. There's a little bit of spiciness to it. Cherry vinegar helps also.
This has got a little kick to it.
This
Yeah,
has
it
a little
does.
kick to it,
It's
and
so
it's
good.
just right because I don't do too much kicking.
Really refreshing. In the summer, it's a perfect sauce for the summer. Even to serve it with a grilled meat on the side.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
Just enough kicking.
Yeah, it's got a nice little kick.
It's got a nice little kick.
You
But
can
not
use this
too
in so
much.
many different ways. I love the red pepper that's in there. I love
Yeah.
the heat that I'm getting.
And what a great way to showcase maybe something that you grew yourself
Yeah.
in your garden.
This is really
right?
good.
Yeah, delicious.
Really good. I was gonna say it'd be great on a charcuterie board also, right? Or your cheese board.
Yes, exactly. In Spain, they use that sauce for tapas.
Oh,
Little
yeah.
portion,
yeah, yeah.
with octopus, with grilled fish,
Yeah.
or anything like this. They use it as a tapas.
I like it.
Fantastic. This
Very
is very
good.
good.
Well, thank you for sharing.
You're very welcome.
Yeah,
Guys,
give it a try
enjoy
at
it.
home. To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarati's Romesco sauce with grilled shrimp, visit us at wagrown.com. With our farmers always coming up with new innovative ideas, you never know what they'll grow next. That's it for this episode of Washington Grown. We'll see you next time.